Today I will share with you how to create buttons to upload to Schoology so it does not look like a slide. So the first thing you will do is, if you want a background, which I'm going to go to choose image, and then I can search the Google image search here, and if I want a blackboard, I can search it that way, and then I will insert. So this will make my background look like a blackboard. And the next thing I'm going to want to do is to make those actual images. So if I go to here and I want to make them like a button, I could do a shape and a circle. I'm going to draw that circle, and I can have that background white, or I could fill it a different color. So let's fill it blue. So once I have this blue, I'm going to want to insert an image. So I'm going to search the web, typed in epic, and I would like to use this epic, insert. So here it is. Now I don't want it that big rectangle, so I want this to be a circle. So I'm going to go by this crop button, the drop down arrow, shapes, and make that into a circle. So now it is like an oval. So I'm going to drag it out, put it on, and readjust. So now that I have this button, when I highlight it, I can move it together where I would like for my button to go, and then I want to link it. So I am going to go to Epic and get that link. Here I go. And I will copy this link. So I'm going to go Control C. Now that I have the link copied, I'm going to click on that image and do Control K, Control V to paste the epic. So that will make there be a button. So now I can highlight the whole thing, and once again I can move it to wherever I want. So now I would like my name at the top, so I am going to put in a text box, and I'm going to put welcome to 3rd grade, or whatever you want to put up there, and I can change the text color. So I'm going to do white, and then I'm changing the font and the size. Let's go 50 and see what happens. Okay, so now I have my welcome. If I would like to add my Bitmoji, I have it up here, and I am going to add that Bitmoji. Let's do a recent one. So I'm going to copy my Bitmoji and paste. If I would want my Bitmoji to link to my email address or to the Lindmar homepage or something like that, I could link that as well. So I've showed you how to do a button, showed you how to put the Bitmoji in. If you want to put in an image, so if I want to insert an image, once again I'm going to search the web, and since Thanksgiving is coming up, I will type in turkey cartoon, and I would like this one. I will insert it. Now, if there's something like a story I would like for students to read, or a video that they could view, once again, I could find that link. So if I want to go to YouTube, and I go to turkey drawing, here it is, how to draw a turkey. I can copy this link. If I want to make sure my video will be in peer view, I will go to peer view, and then I will paste my video here, purify, and it will give me that link. So then I know my students won't be seeing anything else or getting anywhere they shouldn't be beyond this video. I will go back to my buttons. Once again, I'll click on that picture, Control K, link it, and now that will be linked. From here, you will have to publish to the web to make these links live. So you will go down under File, Publish to the web. You want to embed, and here is where your embed code is. So you are going to copy all of this. So Control C, and now I will go to my classroom, and I am going to go to Add Materials, and I want to add a page. So once I'm here, add page, and now I will call this welcome. Okay, so over here, you'll change to switch to HTML. I'm going to put in that embed code. This is where you need to change it if you do not want this to just look like a slide with that bottom bar. After the 3000 right here, you're going to click in there and put and first, and RM equal minimal. Another thing you want to do is display on a new page, display in line. So that is clicked on right there. So now I will create, and we should see it come up at the bottom. So here's my welcome. All right, so now it is a pretty good size. If I wanted to change the size of this at all, I would click, if it comes up small, it might come up small. You will need to, let me go back, and I will click on the gear, edit, and I will right click on this image, and you'll go to inspect. Once you are in inspect, you can see the size of your page. So in here, you will want to find where it says width and height. So right here it says 960 for my width, and I'm going to switch that to 800, and I will switch my height to 600. Once I have switched that, I will go back to here, save changes, and you will be able to see it got a little bit different sizing on here. So here it is. Now to put this as an update, you're going to highlight this whole thing. So I'm just holding down and dragging. Control C. I will go to updates. I'm going to Control V to paste it in there. You will want to go down to this little add sign, put on that bell. You might see a little person down here, and that's just so parents can see. If that's checked, parents are able to see that. And now I will post it. And now it is at the top of my page. That bell makes it at the top of your page, and I should be able to click, and it will take me to my links. All right, if you have any questions, like always, please reach out